Bullish Chilliz, CHZ, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.357675 and $0.675608 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach $0.278192 by 2025. Bearish Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.063587. Chilliz, CHZ, presentation. Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chilliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy restrictive product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's web-based business store. What is Chilliz, CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chilliz is presently worth $0.079483 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 2.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $52,606,067. Chilliz is right now positioned 70 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $517,617,528 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chilliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Chilliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Chilliz, CHZ, value forecast 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.119225. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.111277 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.095380. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.198708. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.158967 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.174863. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.278192 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.254347 and a low of $0.238450 in 2025. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026, assuming that Chilliz effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.357675 with a base cost of $0.317933 and a typical cost of $0.333830. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.413313 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.397416 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.437158. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.492796. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.516641. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.476900. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2029, while CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.556383 and a yearly cost close above $0.596125 in 2029. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2030 by 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.635866 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.675608, averaging out at $0.651763. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2031, the digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that